Guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue lotion slime. This recipe is so easy to make and only really needs 2 ingredients. So yeah, also guys, a hashtag notification squad for my last video is also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Let's get right into the video. So, no glue lotion slime is how it sounds. It's slime made out of lotion and another household ingredient that most of you guys have, which I know you guys have. So, let's get right into this no glue slime recipe. I also hope you guys love my nails. I picked them up from the Tik Tok shop, but these nails are so awesome and so pretty. I love the design on them. The ingredients, you guys, that you make this no glue slime recipe today is lotion. You will need hand soap. I'm using Dial. You need a bowler plate to make your slime in, a mixing tool, and optional is food coloring if you want. So when I tell you guys this recipe is easy, I mean it. This recipe is so easy to make. The first thing I'm going to do is get out my bowler plate. I'm going to get adding in my soap. I'm just using hand soap for this. I'm going to make a small amount of this today, and that looks like enough. And the last thing you guys have to do is add in your lotion. Like that, you kind of want like half lotion, half hand soap, if that makes sense. Now all you have to do is mix it up. You want to mix it for about 1 to 2 minutes, and if it gets like watered down, definitely add some more, I would say, hand soap into this. So just keep mixing it up. Alright, so I mixed for about, I'm going to say like 2 to 3 minutes, and here it is now. It's like this like milky soap texture, which is what you want for this no glue slime recipe. So the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my airtight container on, and I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours. Every 30 minutes I'm going to take a look at it, mix it up. If it needs more soap, add more soap. If it needs more lotion, add more lotion. That's what I always say with no glue slime recipes. And if it comes out watery, try to put it back in the refrigerator for a little bit. And sometimes these recipes turn out to be like a goo-like texture, which is okay, but this recipe I'm trying to get like a butter-like texture. So let's see how this turns out. So I'll see you guys in about a second when the no glue slime recipe is done. Okay guys, 3 to 4 hours later, here is the no glue slime. Let's see how it is. I also did add a little bit of shaving cream into here, so it's basically not 2 ingredients, it's 3 ingredients, but I want it to be like more of this like this white color, which you see right here, and you see some of the lotion around it. So let's see how this is. I'm gonna grab another mixing tool out because I have a feeling it's gonna be pretty sticky, but whoa, what the heck? I gotta prepare myself for this. Wait, it's actually not that bad. It's not that bad. Okay, here is a no glue slime. Super, super buttery. Definitely thanks to the shaving cream. So try adding a little bit of shaving cream to this if you want to be a little bit on the buttery texture. It is super sticky though, which kind of stinks. But it made super easy like no glue lotion slime. Look at this. That is so cool. I love the texture on this. It's super, super soft. And I just think it turned out amazing. Wow. This no glue slime is definitely a win-win for me. I mean, other than the stickiness, I think all you have to do is put it back into the refrigerator for a little bit. But overall, this is how you make no glue lotion slime. It's super easy to make, and I really hope you guys like the recipe. But here's how you make no glue lotion slime. I really hope you guys liked the video today. I also want to thank you guys so much for all the love and support I've been having on all the videos. I have been MIA, like I said before, on the channel, but we just hit 8 years on YouTube, which is so crazy. That's a huge milestone. I definitely want to do a cool video for you guys. So stay tuned for the channel to see what I post. It might be a giveaway, or it might be a really cool like no glue slime compilation. Who knows? But also check out my recent YouTube video. I showed a huge Shein haul of slime and fidget toys, and it was super exciting to open, and there were some really good slime and fidget toys for only $1, which is crazy. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, love you so much, and peace. And remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes, and check out all my social medias. They will be linked down below. Bye!